really happy with the hotels we've stayed at. They probably exceeded my expectation, to be honest. I expected to have probably a more lower quality hotel.
Because it's sort of rural areas, it's nice to know at the end of the day, even though we were riding in some rain and mud and fog and all this sort of stuff, at the end of the ride, you pull up, you've got a hot shower, got a nice clean bed.
We definitely got to experience all 4 seasons here.
Some of them in one day.
Yeah.
I was pleasantly surprised by the accommodation because I think my mum back home was expecting us to be sleeping in barns and this sort of thing. And the accommodation's been very good.
But there's been nothing wrong with the accommodation. It's clean, the staff have been friendly.
Way beyond comfortable and fine.
I really think it's probably better than your expectations.
You're definitely not camping, that's for sure. If you're worried about that, then you're going to be pleasantly satisfied.
I think at the end of the day, you're in this age group, and I don't speak for myself, but we're not all 21-year-olds. We are looking for something that's got shower and toilet facilities. And I've got photographs to prove they've always got plenty of cold beer.
It's gone. Yeah.